Hello and welcome to our product review. Today we are introducing you to the Reishunger Digital Rice Cooker and Steamer, a high-quality rice stove that can also be used as a steamer. With a capacity of 1.5 liters, it is suitable for up to 8 people and offers numerous functions to prepare perfect rice.
The Reishunger Digital Rice Cooker and Steamer features 7-phase cooking technology that ensures perfect rice flavor, consistent consistency and preservation of nutrients. With 12 different cooking modes including rice, white rice, brown rice, sushi rice, crispy, congee, turbo, quinoa, grain, soup, steam and bake, it gives you a variety of options to add variety to your meals.
The intuitive control panel and the well-lit modern display make this rice stove very easy to use. It also has a timer and a keep warm function so that your rice is always perfectly ready to serve. The inner pot of the stove is made of high-quality materials, including a double ceramic non-stick coating, a 2.0 mm thick aluminum alloy and a heat-resistant bronze outer shell.
If you are looking for a high-quality rice stove and steamer that offers you perfect rice and versatile cooking options, then the Reishunger Digital Rice Cooker and Steamer is the right choice for you. With its numerous functions, user-friendly operation and durable construction, it is an appliance you can rely on. Don't miss the opportunity to take a look at this impressive product.
Order your Reishunger Digital Rice Cooker and Steamer today and experience the convenience and versatility in your kitchen.